Hi guys, I was gifted this grill brush from the seller so I could show you all its great features. Now this is a steam cleaning brush, so that's kind of different. It doesn't have those bristles that you're used to. It says get your grill up to 400 degrees, soak the sponge in water. It does come with 4 sponges, so that's cool. I got one already soaking in water so that I can show you right away how you're going to clean the grill. So it does have like a scraper on the front. So you're going to get your grill up to temp. You're going to scrape it with the metal of the scraper, and then you're going to use the wet sponge to clean that grill. So I'm going to show you those steps. All right, we need to put together this brush first. So let's take it out of the box. It's got your handle here. I'm gonna put that together. And those are your 3 extra sponges. The one we're gonna use today is over here in this cup. So to put this grill brush together, you're just going to, it's got a little groove here and you gotta match up the grooves so you know you're putting it in the right way. And then it's got a little locking plastic thing here. So we're gonna go ahead and shove it in here. That fits good. Let's go ahead and get our sponge out here. That snaps in. Try not to get rid of all the water. Then it says to clean the grates. We're going to get all the excess stuff off of here. That looks good. Now we're going to try with the brush. You can see how it sizzles. And it is steam clean your grate. That looks like that's doing a great job on my grill. Looks much cleaner. Look at that. Got all that grime off of there. So there you have it. I cleaned my grill. The cool thing about this is it is dishwasher safe. So you just go ahead and throw this in your dishwasher so you can reuse it another time. So if you guys want to clean your grill without having the bristles or the, you know, those little bristles coming off in your grill and getting in your food, do the steam cleaning way like this. So go ahead and get this today. Thanks.